Guys, it's your boy Barber, man. Back with another video, man. And for this one, I got a little in-depth type of video where I go over my steps that I take to do a lineup. And these steps will ensure that you get it real crisp, real nice how you want it to look like. And yeah, I also want to tell you guys to be watching out for Mondays, because that's gonna be the days that I'm gonna be uploading my videos. If you guys are able to get my videos to like 10 likes or whatever, I'll be like uploading more than one video per week. But for now, this is what I'll be doing. If y'all want me to be doing more, put it down in the comments. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. I might make a video on it. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, let's get this tutorial started, The first step I take are the steps I do before I cut hair, right? There's always steps before you begin cutting hair, which is the prepping steps. And the prepping steps that I take in the lineup is spraying some type of instant hairspray. It don't matter what type, it don't matter what brand, just spray it. Clip the hair up, and I comb the hair, the little baby hairs that are in the very front, I comb it down. That way they stay stiff with the instant spray. Then I get my liners right, and the liners that I happen to use are the Wahl peanuts, the white ones. Alright, and they're not bad, right? But I need to get some harder hitting clippers. But I still be getting crispy lineups with this, alright? But the way I do it is I start in the middle, and as y'all can see, I'm staying in the middle. And what I just did right there, which the hovering thing right there, the reason I do that is because sometimes there's hairs that stick out from the line, and you need to get those. So that's how I get them. And start like in the middle, make a line so you can have a reference, then pick a side. Alright, it doesn't matter what side, just pick a side and keep looking back at the reference. That way you don't go higher or you don't go lower, And that's basically how you keep it really crispy, because you have to have that point of reference. And in the sides right here, make sure you don't push them back too much. You want to keep it natural, but you still want to take off some hair, right? But don't push them back, that's really bad. And always retouch stuff, just because you want to take that extra time in the little details. I always say this in every one of my videos, the details matter more than the actual haircut, you know what I'm saying? Not exactly, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. And the hook, just try to keep it real natural. Only use the corner. And basically you will see the line already there, right? And all you have to do is cut the hairs that stick out of it. Alright? And I already showed you guys how I did the other side, so I'm gonna just stay quiet for this side and let you guys just watch and enjoy this part. And always go back, like I said, and look at it from the front view and get a good look at it. That way you know what it really looks like, Then I get my razor, right? What I do with my razor is I dry shave, right? I don't put no water, no gel, but that might change. For right now, this is what I'm comfortable with. I really don't cut clients. I'm very careful with that, But the way I do it is I just go to the line, you know. I just get the little hairs that I already took off with the trimmer, which you will see. If you get any hair, that you might get longer hairs because you missed them with the trimmer, but most of the time you would have already gotten them with the trimmer, so you know what hairs to get with the razor and what hairs not to get. So that would be your guides, you know, basically. Yeah. And the reason I decided to go to the back of his head right here and instead of from the front is because I'm going against the grain. And with the razor, it's very important to go against the grain to get its full potential, you know. Alright, let me know what you guys think of the cut. I mean, the lineup is crispy, man. This is how I did it. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is gonna be it for me. I'm gonna have another video up next Monday. But if y'all want 2 videos a week, put it down in the comments. If I get enough likes, I'll do it. Peace out.